Hi. Most of Wix's templates come with a horizontal menu, but did you know that you can easily make your menu vertical on any site? For some websites, a vertical menu can work better with the design, and it's easy to create one in just a few simple clicks. I want to give you 3 quick tips to keep in mind when you add a vertical menu to your site. First, the lowest button on your menu should not be below 650 pixels on the y-axis. You can check this using the Wix ruler tool. If your menu goes below this, it might be cut off on low-resolution screens or on some laptops. Second, if you want the menu to show on all pages, check the box. Or you can drag the vertical menu to the top of the page and attach it to your header. Use the arrow keys rather than your mouse to place the menu exactly where you want it. This will ensure that it stays attached to the header and will be visible on all the pages of your site. Finally, check that your header is sent to the front so that your menu will be visible above all the other elements on your website. Vertical menus are a simple tool that can help give your website a little bit of a different look.